Welcome to the 2023 SUSE CP Conference, the Edge of Opportunity podcast from St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. The Southeastern United States Canadian Provinces, or SUSE CP Alliance, was established in 2007 to formally advance a common interest in enhancing economic ties between the two regions. The Alliance is a strategic trade and investment-focused partnership between 6 southeastern U.S. states and 6 Canadian provinces. This year's conference is focused on opportunities in the blue and green economies.
And welcome back to the SUSE CP 2023 conference. And I can tell you, day 2, business-to-business meetings are about to start, and there is already a lot of collaboration that's happening here in the room. I'm Alan Dale. With me, as always, my good buddy Jerry Carew. We are Gale Force Wind. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Tell us what you're up to.
My name is Rick Pilgrim. I'm with a company called Duxion Motors. We're an advanced motor design and manufacturing company. We're focused on aerospace and marine sectors. We have different approaches in both those sectors. In the marine sector, we're very focused on the transition right now from diesel to diesel electric for vessels.
Interesting.
We're very focused on the trawler fleet right now, the Grand Bank trawler fleet, which is a challenge to do that, but to keep the vessel and still make it a hybrid. On the aerospace side, we're more focused on full electric, where we have electric motor technology, patent electric motor technology that replaces a jet engine.
Okay.
And we just did a ground test of a quarter scale machine in your province, in Prince Edward Island, in Summerside, over at the number 8 hangar, where Tronos Jet is over there.
Yeah.
So we just tested last month there, great success, very, very exciting.
So how old is the company, and how long has the tech been around?
Yeah, the company started in 2017. It grew out of some graduate work at Memorial University.
Okay.
And I came in touch with the company in a little bit after that, where I had previously exited another company and went back, didn't know what to do, so I went back to school. And they had this tube there. I was doing my doctorate at Memorial in electrical. And very interesting tube. So what's this tube? And they said, oh, this could be a jet engine. This could be a jet motor. Yeah. And we thought, oh, wow, that's really, really interesting. And there are a few highly technical reasons why it's very efficient. And so we capitalized the company, brought some people on board from, I would say, the dark side. Most of us are from the oil industry. Right. So we've gone from oil to green, which is exciting. But it's the same sort of technical ability and probably aggressiveness for technology and innovation that's needed in both those that you can take from one industry and bring to the green industry.
Was your exit from an engineering type company?
It was. Yeah. We owned a company that had proprietary drilling technology. It changed the drilling process to take pipes out of the well and to make it a lot faster. Okay. So they've always been technology companies.
The product that you just did with Tronos Jet over in Summit Park.
Yeah.
So is that what TRL is that at? Is it
that is it was a quarter scale prototype.
Okay.
So it's maybe a 6.
Okay. Yeah.
TRL 6. So right now we're building our next one, which is a 9,000 pound thrust jet.
Wow.
Of course, there's got to be electricity to go to that jet.
Right.
And there are others who are working on that in our industry. It takes a village to raise a child.
Oh, 100%. So all work done in Canada? Is that how it works?
All the engineering design is done in Canada, in Newfoundland.
Okay.
And it was built in a few places. Tronos did additive manufacturing. We 3D printed titanium blades.
Okay.
The motor winding was done in Tucson, Arizona.
Wow.
And assembly was finished in Charlottetown.
Okay.
And taken to Summerside for testing. We've done additional testing here now as well, back in St. John's.
So SUSE
very exciting stuff.
SUSE CP, first time at this conference?
It is.
Yeah.
It's my first time here.
So you're a dual citizen, are you? American, Canadian?
I am.
Yeah, okay, right. So,
I am.
Well, you're a perfect guy for SUSE CP.
There you go.
So how was SUSE for you? How was the conference?
It's great.
Yeah.
It's great. It's great to touch base with people who are interested in doing the things that we are interested in doing. That's always exciting.
Right.
And a few of our companies that we've worked with before are here as well. So it's great to see those folks, and it's a good time to show the world what we're doing here.
Yeah.
Right.
And I think this is a great opportunity for that. A little side note: Memorial University, back in 1981, had Dr. Raman who invented something called the interior permanent magnet motor. It was patented, went totally unnoticed, of course.
Really?
Yeah. In 1994, Toyota put it in a car called the Prius. Yeah. So that the technology, and there are other iterations of that technology now, whether it's Tesla or whoever.
Right.
That's now spread out around the world.
Wow.
That came, the kernel of that came from Prince Philip Parkway, right here in St. John's.
That's amazing.
What a
Yeah.
great
story.
What a great story,
Yeah.
for sure. Biloxi, Mississippi next year.
Absolutely, yeah.
Biloxi's got a bit of a focus on defense, the marine sector, and the like. Are you heading down to that one as well?
Absolutely, be there for sure.
Great, good.
for
Okay, I guess I'd ask you to end the podcast. Give us a little bit of an elevator pitch of the company and how they get in touch with you.
Okay, we're as I say, an engineering and design firm, and we're certainly looking for partners in aerospace and marine to showcase the technology and to develop it further. The best way to get in touch with me is via email, probably rpilgrim@duxion.com, which maybe will be on your podcast for folks to see. And I really look forward to anybody who want to reach out and talk about opportunities.
Rick, it's been an absolute pleasure to get to know you and get to know what you're up to, and that's
Thanks so much.
fantastic. Wish you all the very best. Seems like you're onto something here.
We think so.
So would we call you an expatriate Newfoundlander who's come back home? Would that be accurate?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Oh yeah. Out jigging every weekend up in Twillingate and just loving it. Living the dream.
Thank you for bringing your technology and your business acumen back to Newfoundland and spreading it throughout North America.
Yeah, it's kind of you to say. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in to the 2023 SUSE CP Conference, the Edge of Opportunity podcast from St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. The 2024 conference is taking place in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we look forward to seeing you there.